Welcome friends of science lecture, standard 10th, lesson 10, light, reflection and refraction. Now as these two topics, reflection and refraction, we will have some differences between them. In starting we will understand what is the difference between reflection and refraction is. Now light, as we understand, first of all, it can travel from through any medium, right, and it is an electromagnetic radiation and which can travel in space also. Other energies cannot travel that easily as the light can travel through. Now as the light is there, what is it gives an importance to these two phenomena of light, that is reflection and refraction. So as you can see in the chart, I have made some differences regarding reflection and refraction of light. So when an incident light strikes on a surface and come back into the same medium is called as a reflection. Now that means that particular medium does not allow the light to pass. So a light strike, an incident ray strikes and come back to the same medium, whether it is an atmosphere or whether it is in the glass or whether it is wherever it is and the light is passing, but it is striking to any of the medium which is not allowing the light to pass, but it reflects back into the same medium. Is process is called as a reflection. In opposite to that, when a light strikes to a passing in one medium, enters into the another medium. So from one medium it enters into the another medium. This phenomena, from after striking the surface, enters into the another medium. This phenomena is known as an refraction. And the first one was striking, coming back was reflection. Here in case of reflection, the angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. Now how we calculate an angle of incident? That is a ray which is coming incident, this is a surface, so we make this as a perpendicular. So perpendicular, the line which we draw is called as a normal. So light is coming and striking, making an angle is called as an incident angle and reflecting back. You are able to see in the diagram also below it, incident ray is coming and reflecting back. So theta is shown as an angle of incident and angle of reflection, right. But in case of refraction, as you are able to see, when the light is coming and entering into the another medium, the line does not passes into the straight form. That shows that the angles are changing from theta 1 to theta 2. You are able to see the angles are changing. So in case of refraction, angles does not remain same because it enters into the another medium. So I is not equals to R. In the first case, the I was equals to R. Here the medium is opaque, obviously does not allow the light to pass in case of reflection, so the medium is opaque. But in case which is entering, like I am wearing the glass, so that is spectacles is a glass made up of glass or fibers, they are transparent medium. The light is coming and passing through my glass and coming to my eyes. So these mediums are basically transparent by its nature. The air is transparent, this glass is transparent, my eye cornea is transparent, so the light is capable of entering. Inside that fluid is also transparent, which is there in the back side, which is aqueous humor, and inside that is a vitreous humor. So all the liquids which are present inside my eyeballs also are transparent, so light is passing through and getting inside. So these are different transparent mediums what I am talking about. Fine. Maybe in case of reflection, it is necessary that the surface must be shining, because if it is not shining, it is going to absorb the light. So the light which is striking and coming out, this surface must be shining, that is a reflecting surface. Now the reflecting surface examples are plane mirrors, maybe spherical mirrors. In case of concave or convex, which is of this shape, so striking, the light is striking and passing back. The lights which are coming here is coming that side. In case of an concave, it is passing towards the focus. In case of transparent mediums, in refraction happens, as I told you, in all transparent mediums like glass, plastic, water, air. These are all transparent mediums. You write down the 10 names of transparent mediums if you can understand, whereas I spoke 5-7 just now only. Fine. Discussing furthermore are laws of refraction, laws of reflection. So there are basically two laws which are generally known in case of reflection. that an angle of incident is equals to an angle of reflection. The angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection, that is I is equals to R. I is equals to R, right? An incident ray, reflected ray and normal lies in same plane. This is an incident ray which is coming, this is a reflected ray which is passing, and the normal which is an just an imaginary line which is perpendicular to the surface, perpendicular 90 degree to the surface. So the angle of incident with respect to normal, an angle of reflection with respect to normal, and incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lies in the same plane. So the angles are equal and all of them lie into the same plane. These are the two laws of reflection. Fine. So thank you for this particular lecture. You need to draw the diagram and write the differences also.